Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I am so excited to film this video because Burga actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their product, their phone cases and their tech accessories, and I cannot tell you how much I needed new case accessories. I currently have this case. It's like not protective at all. It was cheap, and every single time that I work out I am afraid of dropping my phone, so this was the perfect timing. And I also love the fact that their cases are incredibly fashion oriented, trendy. They are always coming with new trends. They have more than 200 designs on their website, and no matter what phone you have, they have the cases for your phone. We actually decide on what to get based on fashion trend prediction for 2024 that appeals to me anyway. They kindly extended 15% discount code for you guys, and it also applies to their current 2+2 offer for their phone case. If you see anything that you like in this video, I highly suggest that you go ahead and scroll on their website, because I'm sure you're gonna find something that you love. Another really my dog. Did I tell you every single time? Yeah. Okay. Somewhere else. They have a 12-month warranty, and I don't know if all of the companies have that, but that to me is like a stamp of approval for a brand. They have two best-selling type of cases. One is called Elite and one is called Tough cases. I got two of each. I'm gonna go in and show you what I got. They come into these amazing pouch. It's like a velvety pouch. Let me tell you, this is so luxurious. Here you can tell that they actually really take this seriously. So let's see what is the first one that we got. Oh my god, this one I was so excited to get. It's the Derby Race case. I have an iPhone 11 and I'm actually considering getting an iPhone 15. And you know how we feel about getting a new cell phone. We want to make sure that it is protected, and first thing I can tell is that it's really sturdy and it's not bulky. So let me try it on my phone and show you what it looks like. Oh my god, I love this so much. I'm so excited. These, like, oh my god, if you've if you've seen one of my Get Ready With Me this fall, I mentioned how I wanted to take on some horseback riding classes, and I mean, this is fitting, right? I'm pretty sure that you guys have seen this around, but the equestrian horseback riding type of fashion thing is really going strong, and it's actually predicted to still go strong in 2024. Neutral color, timeless pieces, tailored jacket, tiny boots, very European elegance. It's influenced by models such as Bella Hadid, and I also know that designers such as Stella McCartney has collection based on that fashion trend. What I love about Burga's phone case is that they become a fashion statement. It completes your outfit. This phone case is the Tough case. The Tough case has a double layer for protection and shock absorption. It is also scratch resistant even though it has a glossy finish. It covers all around your phone, and it has a raised bezel for screen protection. Your camera will also be protected by the raised case bezel around the camera. And finally, it has a slim profile and is very comfortable to hold. I already love it. I feel like I don't want to take it off my phone. Let's go ahead and see the other one that I got. Next one that I got, I know which one it is, and it's actually the design that I've seen on so many video and social media from the company. It's this. Wow. It is so pretty, guys. Oh, and it's double layered, so it really feels protected. And one easy way to put your phone in that I've seen on reviews, you can go ahead and use the first layer and then apply the outer shell, and it's easier to put on, and once it's on, it's not moving. This case is very pretty, like some modern twist on the polka dot pattern, and I actually love the fact that it is black and kind of a very light beige. Fits my aesthetics in terms of clothing, which is neutral, casual. I love it so much that I got the matching Macbook case and iPad case, because I feel like it screams like sophistication when you have all of your tech device with the same design. So it comes in this velvet pouch, and What I love about this is that it can have so much uses afterwards. You can use this when you're traveling or just to store your accessories. So let's go ahead and unpack this. Wow, 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 wow. This is so pretty. It feels luxurious. You even have a place to put your pen. You even have the brand over here logo. It's in vegan leather, so good for the environment as well. I also have a MacBook case. To be honest, I tried it right away because my Mac is really old. When I say old, it's like 2014 old. I wish I had a case like that prior, because when I got my Mac, I just never used a case on it and it's full of dent and scratch. Now it looks stunning. It's the same pattern as the case and my iPad case, and it's a snap-on case. It comes in 2 pieces. It's so easy to install. Your laptop is definitely going to be protected, and it has spot for ventilation under it as well, so they thought of everything. It's really quality product. I'm very, very impressed. Oh my god, guys, this is so pretty. This is the Elite phone case, and it's their most protective phone case that they have with the Cloud Guard technology that absorbs up to 90% of the impact. It also has a raised bezel around the screen and the camera for protection. The interior is made of microfiber lining. It also feels and looks so luxurious. When I was talking about 2024 trends, you know that this year the Barbie movie came out, took fashion industry by storm. It's power of pink, so this fits the trend so much. It's the Elite case. It's matte with the bezeled around the camera that you can choose either gold or gunmetal. I went with gold because I love gold accessories. Let's try it on my phone. First impression, it goes on so smoothly. Covers the buttons here nicely on the other side as well. It feels so protected yet not bulky, and I love this. It feels Barbiecore, right? Chanel Resort 2024 fashion show put that on the forefront of their runway. It's going to go strong on 2024. It's about a lot of patterns such as polka dot lines, really uses the accessories such as sunglasses, purses, or phone cases. It completes your outfit. I also feel like this would work with the Pilates princess aesthetics. Don't you agree that this looks like you're unboxing jewels? This one is timely. It goes with the holiday season. It's actually a tartan pattern that's very trendy in the holiday season. This is the one that I'm going to use right away for the holidays. I love it very, very much. It's very pretty. Look at that. Don't you feel like you're gonna snuggle next to the fireplace while your Christmas tree is on? I mean, this is very pretty. Whenever the holidays comes around, having an accessories that scream holidays just completes your outfit, completes your look. It's joyful. Yeah, I love this. And I love the fact that they have collections like that that fits the holidays, whether it's a trend that they're coming out with or it's the time of year such as Christmas. You cannot go wrong because they have so many collections and they are always coming out with new collections as well. That is it, you guys. These are all of the cases that I've got. I think that they are going to translate so well in the upcoming trends for 2024. I don't know which one I'm gonna use the most because they are all so pretty. They feel really protective, and one thing that I love is that they have this special printing technologies that prevent from fading or color changing, so you are assured that your accessories will stay as pretty as when you unbox them. Let me know what trend you are interested in seeing in 2024, and I probably am going to get other accessories, mainly because I want to get a new MacBook. Like I said, mine is really old. Thank you guys for spending some time with me unboxing this very, very exciting haul. If you like these kind of video, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel and myself as a content creator. And also, if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe because I post new video every single week, and I would love for you guys to follow me along in this YouTube journey. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week.